In this video, I'm going to cover the exterior of the core radio before we power the unit on. Before we power on our core radio, I do want to go over the external features of the radio, just so that you're familiar with everything. Starting at the top is the screen. This is a TFT screen, which is very bright and excellent for direct sunlight. It's also a capacitive touchscreen, which is sensitive enough you don't have to press hard and you just have to lightly tap just like you would a cell phone. Up at the top, behind the screen, there is a hand grip. This whole section here is structurally built to act as a handle, so don't be afraid to carry it this way. Next, we have the switches at the top of the radio. There are 4 on each side. The lower switch is typically a 2-position switch with 3-position switches on the top. These switches can be moved around and reconfigured as you wish. We do also have momentary and locking switches as well as others available. On the top and then on the side of the radio we have the knobs and sliders. These are Hall sensors, so they don't wear out and they're very accurate. These are fully proportional channels and can be assigned to anything in the radio. Beside that, we have the push buttons. These are momentary or on-off buttons. There's also another set down here. These can also be configured as trim switches. The gimbals are fully machined. They have adjustable sticks, adjustable tension, and adjustable ratcheting on the throttle side. These can be changed to other mode radios. We do recommend you have that done by us. The gimbals are Hall sensors as well. So again, they're very accurate and don't wear out quickly. Below those, we have the trim tabs. These are positioned specifically so that whenever you relax your thumbs, they easily find the trim switches. That way you can access them without taking your eyes off the model in flight. In the center of the radio, we have a light sensor, which is not currently used, but will find use in future updates. Below that, this is where the loudspeaker is located. It will output all your telemetry and alarm callouts. In the middle, we have the hook for your neck strap and the power button. As we come to the bottom of the radio, on the sides are the side grips. These are covered in Alcantara material, which is a synthetic microfiber. It feels a lot like suede. It's very comfortable in your hands, and it's very easy to clean with just soap and water. For those interested in the tray radio, there is a conversion kit which will exchange these for the tray wings. In the center, we have the hatch. There are 5 ports. There's a headphone, a charge port for your batteries with indicators, a standard USB, a micro USB, and a servo PPM port. The power button is right here in the middle. Press and hold it, it'll light red. Release and tap it again, it will turn green, and you will see the screen come on. Midway through, you'll see the core logo come up. The next thing you will see is the main screen will pop up with a percentage on it where it is loading the model. Once this reaches 100%, the transmitter is active and you can power on your model. Now I'm going to show how to power off your core radio. It's the reverse of powering on. Press and hold the center button, it'll turn red. Release and tap again, it will flash red. Powerbox logo comes up on the screen, and once it goes black, it's safe to put it away.